Hi everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code that can pop up on your vehicle's diagnostic system, the P0130 code. This code refers to a problem with the oxygen sensor circuit bank 1, sensor 1. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. Error code P0130 problem indicates the oxygen sensor has had a circuit malfunction. Unfortunately, since these diagnostics are simple and limited to telling you whether or not a circuit is running at the correct voltage, that's about all you can get without doing a little more investigation. The check engine light turning on. Rough engine performance. Black smoke from the tailpipe. Poor fuel economy. Low engine power. Engine stalls or dies unexpectedly. The exhaust system begins at the engine, combustion chambers, and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with a visible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste while to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, do not start the engine, because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot. A leak, first get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times, then squeeze it to make the resin go off through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes, so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter bank. One is on the side with the cylinder. Number 1 sensor. Number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensors. Electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Once you've replaced the sensor, use the OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Start the engine and check for proper operation. The P0130 code should no longer appear, and your car should run smoother. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0130 code. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.